Hey there, this is Gerald Bass, creator and founder with the Rise of 1%. I want to welcome you to this video. Well, today we have Charliette Cummings on, and Charliette is basically in the credit repair industry, financial industry, and then also even doing some affiliate marketing as well. So, how you doing, Charliette?
I'm good, and you? And you, Gerald, how you doing?
That's good, doing great, doing great. So, if we could just start off, Charliette, just basically talk a little bit or in detail in terms of what you currently are doing at this time, in terms of your different businesses. And you're out in Texas.
Yeah, I'm out in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I'm actually in Arlington, Texas, which is between Dallas and Fort Worth. It's right in the middle. So
Okay.
I've actually grew up in this area, in the Dallas area. I've never moved. So I've always lived here. Yeah, I've always lived here. But yeah, I recently, well, not recently, like probably like a year or so ago, went to the journey of entrepreneurship myself because I knew that my job was not going to give me the fulfillment and not going to give me what I actually needed as far as financially. So fast forward to that, I decided to go into the credit repair space. One, because it's an important piece for people and families in general. Two, I needed it. My husband and I needed the services. We got into some trouble with our credit. My student loan destroyed my credit. I made a bad decision to do debt settlement. That was horrible. So I needed to get my credit repaired for myself, and as well as my husband, because we had some combined account. So that's how I got into a partnership with this company. They helped us put us 280 points back on our credit report. So yeah, I know. I know, right? I know, right? So yeah, so we are very excited, and that's how I became to be connected with the credit repair and financial literacy space.
Okay. Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. Great stuff. Great stuff. So I know as well, you actually ran across the Rise of the 1%. And how did you come across the Rise of 1%?
Oh my gosh. Gerald, you reached out to me. You reached out to me, and what I did, like most people do, I'm nosy. So I went back and looked at your videos. I went back and looked at your YouTube channel. I was like, this dude here knows what he's talking about. So for one, again, I'm going to say that I was new to entrepreneurship because I actually am. So I'm like, I need to know how to market this product because I need to know how to market myself. Right. So when I was looking at your videos and stuff like that about the different strategies, I was like, this would be a great fit for me to partner with this company because they truly know the direction I'm trying to go. Nobody in my space is really doing it this way right now. So that's why I wanted to take it to the next level on the social media platform. So Rise of the 1%, it was a good fit hands down because when I was looking through the videos, it was exactly what I needed to hear. It wasn't anything else that anybody else was talking about as far as growing yourself and your social network, growing your brand, attracting people to you versus you trying to hunt and find folks. So they was on point with that. So I decided, I'm like, yeah, this is a win-win for both of us because we're learning. You're learning about me, and I'm learning about you too. So yeah, right.
Great stuff. So I know, like with the credit repair and financial literacy, you're in network marketing as well. So you all have that side too.
Yes.
So what would you say would be the difference between some of the strategies you learned in terms of marketing with the Rise of the 1%? Versus maybe some of the strategies that are taught in like network marketing companies. I know in network marketing companies, they have a lot of different traditional methods of marketing, whether that's the home events and stuff like that. So like, what would you say would be like the difference as well?
The biggest difference, well, I know sales and stuff that, it transitioned over from time to time to time. It doesn't expire, but social media does because it changes. It rapidly changes. These strategies in social media, for sure, 100%, because you got to know how to market yourself. You got to know what to post and when to post, and you got to know how to connect with people, exactly what to say versus, because you got to build relationships on social media versus being face-to-face or something like that. So that's the strategies that I've learned mostly in the Rise of the 1%, being able to connect with people that probably wouldn't even know you, but if you post certain things, they start to pay attention. They start to pay attention to your content. So when they start to pay attention to your content, they start to learn bits and pieces about you. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So more than, okay, I'm just selling this product. No, that's not what I'm doing at all. I'm actually trying to build my network full of professionals because I'm actually starting from the ground up. So I need to build network with other professionals, other entrepreneurs to help them out as well, because I'm teaching them what I'm learning. Right. So yeah, so that's the main difference. I know that they have like different strategies that you use that they've used to build theirs, but it's not many that has built it on social media by itself. Because I want to get into the webinars online where I can attract people from all across the country in just one single event. So that's the main difference. Doing things the right way, making sure that you have your system in place to where you're doing your follow-up and stuff like that, where it's automatic. It's not just, okay, I gotta follow up with such and such. No, it's not like that. Right. It's where it's automatically following up for you. Those are the things that I'm learning in the Rise of 1%, versus network marketing industry as a whole. I would say. Yeah.
Okay. And I know you also had the opportunity recently where you was running some ads online to generate leads through the system, the automated system.
Right.
And you've been fortunate enough to have people exposed to your business. And then you're also building an email list as well. What does your email list look like today?
Right now it's at 72
subscribers. Yeah. Okay. Awesome stuff. Congratulations again. Absolutely. So if you're watching this right now, your email list is your most valuable asset online because we don't own Facebook, we don't own Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, any of these platforms, we don't necessarily own them. So the only thing that they really can't take from you online is the email list, even if they was to shut any of those platforms down. And so by you constantly growing your email list and constantly building up that know, like, trust factor amongst your audience that's on that email list by providing value, you can make offers from time to time and convert those leads over to sales, because everybody does not want to purchase or become a customer or client initially. Exactly. Some people just you have to build up more of a rapport with, and that's what Charlotte has been able to do with her email list, and it's constantly growing in a short period of time. Now, I know as well, Charlotte, you also decided to get involved with our partnership program, which is affiliate marketing.
Right.
1% as well. And talk a little bit about why you got started with that.
Just being able to learn in more depth, being able to attract my target audience. To be honest, my target audience is actually other entrepreneurs and other business owners in finance, in different areas, influencers, speakers. That's really the ones that I want to attract, because those are the ones that can stretch you out to a scale that you wouldn't believe, because they already have a platform. Right. So I'm like, it makes sense for me to, join a partnership with the Rise of the 1%, because it will allow me to attract the people that I want to attract anyway. And then also have another offer on the back end as well. As being an affiliate, I can help people with the marketing for their businesses, no matter what it is. No matter what it is. So it doesn't limit me from doing just this and financial. I have no limits whatsoever. I can refer, like, hey, this is what I'm using. This works for me. Would you like to schedule a call? Because I think you should, because it'll help. Like, oh, you know what? I think so. There you go.
Right.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And see, a lot of people within the network marketing industry, or whatever type of business you may have, we looking to attract other business owners.
Right.
That's the way that you have to look at it.
Exactly.
You have to look at it from a perspective of what type of value that you can provide to the business owner. We know that a lot of business owners, they need assistance with marketing online.
Right.
And so that's why Charlotte decided to partner with us, being that we assist business owners with marketing online. She can actually leverage, our business model to attract more business owners for her business.
Right.
And also be able to create, like she said, additional stream of income and be able to make more money per sale as well, because with our partnership program, you can actually get paid up to $1,000 per sale on the partnership side.
Right.
So that's what she meant by the back end offer. So
Right.
Great stuff. Awesome. And I know recently Charlotte just had a $300 day on the way to having many more, and I'm pretty sure $1,000 days on the way. All that's on the way.
Yeah.
Just had a $300 day, right? Talk a little bit about how that went for you, or how did you come about doing that, Charlotte?
Oh my gosh, I was just it's crazy because once you use the strategies the Wise Percent show you, and you start connecting with certain people, they are automatic. The way you have your pages and stuff set up, they're automatically interested. Like, dang, what the heck do you do? It's a lot of good stuff on here. What exactly do you do? What's your focus? You start the conversation that way. The person would just start asking, like, wait a minute, how are you doing this? I mean, you just explain it to them like, hey, I do this, but I also do this, and I do this. They were like, what? How are you going to do 3 or 4 different things at the same time? Can we schedule a call? Can we do a Zoom? Yeah, we can do a Zoom. We can talk about it. And they're just blown away. By the time they get on the call, they're like, wow, you don't do just credit. You do like literally 2 or 3 other different things at one time. I'm like, yes. And they just amazed that you can manage all that. Plus, they're just amazed that, wow, you're actually partnering with somebody that actually helps other entrepreneurs. Nobody's doing that. Like, nobody's doing it, because most people would think of those people as a threat. Like, oh, I don't want those people to be doing better than my business. I don't want people to be doing better than me. But it's not the way I think at all. I think like, okay, well, if I can help somebody else win, then I'm already winning. Right. So but some people do think like that. We ain't help other entrepreneurs because they'll be doing better than my company. No. Right. But that's not the case here.
Exactly.
So that's what the other individuals think. They're like, you know what? I'm going to schedule a call, because if that works for your business, then it's going to work for mine too. I'm like, exactly. Because it's so many ways that you can do it. It's so many targeting methods. You just got to know what to do and who to partner with and know what they're doing. That's it. That's just it. Yeah, that's just it.
And what I want you to understand, for you that's watching this video, is that when Charlotte says 2 or 3 different things, all this coincides with each other. Right. So she doesn't have a whole bunch of businesses. It's really, she has a credit repair, financial literacy company, and then she's partnered with the Rising 1%, which is we service entrepreneurs. And so a lot of her ideal customers and clients she's looking to attract for her credit repair and financial literacy business are business owners and entrepreneurs. And if you're watching this and you're in network marketing, that should also be your ideal person you're looking to get to join your business, or even maybe become a customer client, depending on what your product or service is. And being that that's the case, you may want to look into affiliate marketing.
Yes.
Right? Like, look into affiliate marketing, where you can leverage other people's products and services that can service business owners, and you use that as a lead generation mechanism.
Right.
Generate those type of leads, and you still can introduce them to what you have going on personally, but they also become a customer on the affiliate side, and you get paid for that.
Right.
You can create another passive stream of income right there within your business model, or be able to earn more, like Charlotte says, by having a back end offer, be able to earn more per sale, which if you're looking to do Facebook or Instagram ads, okay, you're able to spend more in advertisement, because okay, I can earn up to $1,000 per sale versus just making $50 to $100 per sale. It's going to take some real great advertisement to be able to acquire customers and clients for your particular business for $25, $50, versus if you have a bigger profit margin that you can earn, you can put more dollars back into your ad spend, and you can literally beat out your competitors. So, so like I say, I'm definitely proud of you, Charlotte. You've done a wonderful job since you absolutely I gotta give you and Charlotte is very coachable, all the coaching calls all the time, ask questions, posts in the Facebook group from time to time, messages me from time to time. Like, she's very coachable. The support system is there, right, Charlotte?
Yeah, absolutely. Even not with just Gerald, with Antonio and all of his team as well. They are awesome mentors. Just being very hands-on, one-on-one. Even if you just have a question, it's just random. Oh yeah, I've seen that before. Yeah, I can tell you about that, because that happened to me too. Yeah, so it's more like a family type environment. I would say, it's the best decision I've ever made, because I was like the other individuals in the past where, I could just go on YouTube and I can do this and I can do that. But you're going to have to need somebody to help you with that roadmap to get from point A to point B. You'll be all over the place without any type of strategy. So you would end up taking longer to get your success. But I would highly recommend it. Highly recommend it because it's so much out there that will confuse you. You will get confused. It's too much info. It's information overload.
Right.
So I love it. I absolutely love it.
Absolutely. And Charliette is also an action taker.
Yep.
So keep that in mind. Get the information. And of course, you have to be an action taker as well. But like I say, I'm definitely proud of Charliette, doing some great things, definitely on the rise and on her way into the 1%. And she's working to help other people come along right with her.
Right.
And this is just the first interview. We're going to be coming back soon. And I'm pretty sure we're going to have even some more things to share real soon. So definitely, I appreciate you for your time, Charliette. And if you want more information on the Rise of 1% Marketing Academy, it should be a link somewhere around this video. Just click on the link. And it'll actually take you over to where you can just put your name and email in, and you'll get access to a training, first of all, on how you can generate $1,000, $3,000, $5,000 a week online, like what a lot of the top 1% of business owners are doing to get that. You'll get a training, and then it also have a little bit more information on Academy if that's something you're serious about becoming a part of and really taking your business income lifestyle to the next level, getting you to the 1%. So with that said, thank you. Thank you again, Charliette.
Thank you.
Absolutely. And we definitely look forward to seeing you in 1%.
Oh, I'm going to be there. I'll be there. I'll be there.
Absolutely. That's good.
Nice.